In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Coda IO to PDF. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to turn your Coda document into a clean, shareable PDF that looks great and is easy to distribute. Start by opening the document you want to export. Look to the very top right corner of your screen for the three-dot menu. This is where Coda keeps many document-level options. Click that three-dot icon to open the menu, then choose Print and Export from the list. This takes you to Coda's export view, where you can preview how your content will appear on the page. Next, decide what you want to include in your PDF. If you only need the page you're currently viewing, select the Current Page option. This is perfect for exporting a single section or a focused update. If you want a complete package of everything in the document, choose Entire Doc. That's the best choice for manuals, reports, or any document where context across multiple pages matters. Now it's time to fine-tune your layout. In the settings, pick your orientation. Portrait is ideal for text-heavy pages, while landscape gives wide tables, timelines, or large images more room to breathe. Adjust your margins to control how close content sits to the page edges. Slightly wider margins can help prevent important details from being clipped. If you see options for scaling or fit to page, use them to make dense content more readable. Keep an eye on the live preview as you tweak these settings so you can spot any awkward page breaks and make small adjustments until everything looks balanced. Think about your audience too. Clean spacing and consistent alignment make a big difference when you're sharing with stakeholders or clients. When you're happy with the preview, click Export. Your computer will prompt you to choose a location for the file. Pick a folder you'll remember, give the file a clear, descriptive name, and confirm the save. Coda will generate the PDF using the range and formatting you selected, preserving your document structure so it's easy to read on any device. That's it. You opened the menu, selected Print and Export, chose your range, adjusted the layout, and finalized the export. With these simple steps, you can confidently create professional PDFs from your Coda docs, ready to share, print, or archive. If you need to repeat the process later, just revisit these same settings and you'll be done in moments.